Hi, this is licensed marriage and family therapist Joe Follette Jr. with your sizzling hot inspiration for the day. I think we're all tired of this pandemic. Unfortunately, the only thing we can do about it is follow CDC guidelines and encourage others to do so. Hopefully soon we can get back to some normalcy. This pandemic reminds me of the things in my spouse that I really don't like. I wish she wouldn't do them anymore. Unfortunately, I have to accept that they are ways of hers I'll just have to live with. At one time in our marriage, I was obsessed with these ways and getting her to change. Because of that, our marriage was very stressful. But when I began to see the good in her and stopped focusing on what's wrong with her, things got better. It is so important for us to focus on the right things. This directly impacts the quality of our lives. What do you need to accept in your spouse? And there you have your Sizzling Hot inspiration for the day. There are just 21 days left to the Sizzling Hot Marriage Show when I will interview 21 experts about their secrets to lasting love. Go to sizzlinghotmarriageshow.com to register.